So this is the clubhouse. And then swimming pool. Clubhouse. Ito swimming pool. Kuya, pasok kami ah. Wow. Laki oh. Oh, ito swimming pool. Kasama sa amenities. Ha? Ito na siya guys. Ang swimming pool dito sa Palmerston Nike. So basic. So this is less up. In-upgrade lang ng konti. But still not deliverables. Sample lang to guys. We have bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. So, pwede pa kayo maglagay dito ng cabinet. So, 2 windows sa master's bedroom kung corner unit. And then, yung clubhouse. And then, swimming pool. Tapos pa tayo. Punta tayo sa clubhouse tsaka swimming pool. Ayun yung clubhouse. Oo, tama.
Pero makakalimutan ka. Hindi naman malabo. Kasi matagal na ako nakasira. Sa atin ko naman hindi naman malabo sa atin.
Dito na, sa gilid. Double.
Double.
Ano?